स्टूडेंट्स, आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ फॉर क्लास 8th। लास्ट सेशन में हमने मिनरल रिसोर्सेज के बारे में पढ़ा था और आज हम पढ़ेंगे पॉपुलेशन एंड स्पेशली लाइट्स डालेंगे पॉपुलेशन ऑफ राजस्थान पे। क्लियर है? नाउ अ डेज सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज टेकिंग प्लेस एट अ रैपिड पेस। जस्ट थिंक दैट who has contributed towards this development. For this, we the people are responsible. Physical labor and mental capability of people both join together to form various resources for ourselves by using things available in the nature, which help us to proceed ahead on the path of development. Therefore, in the term of population is the most important resource for development of any region. The study of population and its various aspects is very important because the development of any region depends upon its population. Now, as per the census, around 5.7% of the India total population lives in Rajasthan. Here, population is not as dense as in other states such as Bihar, Bengal and Kerala. Out of 6.9 crore population, around 75% lives in villages. Urban population of the state is around 25% and it lives in various small and big cities. Here you show that passengers sitting on the roof and sides of the overcrowded train. Look here. Now our next topic is population distribution and density. The spread of population upon the land surface is called population distribution. Population distribution on earth is unequal. As you all, some region where population is found in large number are known as dense regions, and those regions where the number of population is less are known as sparse region. For instance, population is dense in the plain of northeastern part of the state, while population is sparse in the Thar Desert, situated in the western part. Dense and sparse region are the indicator of population density. Population density is a measure which tells about the population and surface area of any region. This table shows district total population, population density, increase rate in percent, sex ratio, literacy, male literacy, female literacy of all districts of Rajasthan. This table, this sources is taken from the census of 2011. Okay. Now, according to this table, we explain in summary. There is unequal distribution of population in every district of Rajasthan. There is less population in western Rajasthan, while it is more in East Rajasthan. Around 10% of total population of the state resides in Jaipur district, while less than 1% of state population is found in Jaisalmer district. Around 40% of population resides upon around 61% of western deserted region of the state. Here the population density is 130 persons per square kilometer, which is the lowest in the state. Around 33% of population resides on only about 20% of the eastern plain region of the districts of state, which include Alwar, Bharatpur, Dosha, Jaipur, Tonk, Swai Madhopur, Karoli, Bhilwara, etc. Here the population density is 332 persons per square kilometer, which is the highest in the state. As the development is more due to favorable conditions for farming present in plain regions, owing to plain land, availability of water, accessibility to Delhi country's capital, availability of infrastructure facilities such as industry, commerce and transport. Population also residue in large number over there. Medium population density is found in Aravalli mountainous part and southeastern plateau region in Rajasthan. Population in western Rajasthan is less due to rigid physical condition and lack of infrastructure facilities. Still, it is noticed that as compared to other deserts of the world, Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert. Okay, now you have to do this. Our question is that look at this table, that table, and answer the following question. Our first question is, which are the two districts of Rajasthan with highest population density? In which part of Rajasthan low population density is found and why? Do you know, students, first census in India was performed in the year 1872, while the first complete census was done in the year 1981. After this, census has been performed by Indian Statistical Department at a gap of every 10 years. Now, our today's topic is population increase. So let's discuss about this. According to an estimate, world total population in the first year of the century was around 17 crore, which has increased to more than 700 crore at present. Thus, population is the continuously increasing on planet Earth. In the same way, population of Earth and Rajasthan is also increasing. Fluctuation of population in a particular time period is known as population change. Increase and decrease of population both is fluctuation. If no and any no reason, population of any region decreases in a particular year as compared to last year of a decade or in a decade, it is called as population decline or negative growth. And if it is increases, it is called positive growth. So students, here our population session first part is completed. So now we meet in our next session. Keep studying.